Hello children, let's draw some shapes. Black color. Star, star. Circle, circle. Heart, heart. Rectangle, rectangle. Croissant, croissant. Triangle, triangle. Let's learn some colors. Red color, red color. Sky blue color, sky blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Forest green color, forest green color. Pink color, pink color. Parrot green color, parrot green color. Sky blue color. Star, green color. Circle, blue color. Heart, forest green color. Rectangle, yellow color. Croissant, pink color. Triangle, sky blue color. Star, parrot green color. Circle, royal blue color. Heart, forest green color. Rectangle, yellow color. Croissant, pink color. Triangle. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children.